everyone, welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sam.
Today, we're going to talk about something super practical, something you do every single day.
Yeah, we're talking about daily routines.
Exactly, your daily routine, the things you do from morning to night.
And we're going to show you how to talk about it in English using real, natural language.
This is perfect for beginners. We'll speak slowly and clearly.
And we'll use simple words, words you can actually use in real conversations.
So grab something to drink, get comfortable, and let's learn together.
All right, let's begin. Hey, Sarah, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about my morning routine today.
Oh, yeah? Why's that?
Well, I realized I do the exact same thing every single morning, like exactly the same.
Really?
Yeah, it's like I'm on autopilot.
Autopilot.
You know, like I don't even think about it. My body just does it automatically.
Oh, I know what you mean. I'm the same way.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Every morning is pretty much identical.
That's funny. So what's your morning routine like?
Well, first thing I do is I wake up.
Well, yeah, that's a good start.
I know. But seriously, I usually wake up around 6:30.
6:30? Wow, that's early.
Yeah, I'm a morning person.
Lucky you, I'm not.
Well, what time do you wake up?
Usually around 7:30, sometimes 8.
That's not too bad.
I guess not, but I'm not a morning person at all. I hate waking up early.
So you're a night owl.
Exactly. I'm much more awake at night.
Interesting. So after you wake up, what do you do?
Well, honestly, the first thing I do is check my phone.
Really?
Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't help it.
What do you check? Social media?
Yeah, Instagram mostly, and I check my messages.
I do the same thing.
Really?
Yeah, I check my phone right away too. It's like a habit.
A bad habit.
Yeah, probably. But everyone does it now.
That's true. It's so normal now.
So after you check your phone, what's next?
Then I get out of bed, finally.
So you lay in bed for a while?
Oh yeah, at least 10 or 15 minutes.
Just scrolling on your phone?
Pretty much. What about you? Do you get out of bed right away?
Yeah, I do actually.
Really? Just like that?
Yeah, I don't like laying in bed after I wake up. I feel lazy.
Wow, you have a lot of discipline.
I don't know about that. It's just how I am.
Well, I'm jealous. I wish I could do that.
You could. You just have to train yourself.
Maybe, but I like my phone time in the morning.
Fair enough. So after you get out of bed, what do?
I go straight to the bathroom.
To brush your teeth?
Yep, and wash my face.
Me too. That's the first thing I do.
It's like the most important thing, right?
Oh, yeah. I can't start my day without brushing my teeth.
Same. It makes me feel fresh.
Exactly. Do you shower in the morning?
Sometimes. It depends.
Depends on what?
Depends on how I feel, or if I have time.
Ah, okay. Do you prefer morning showers or night showers?
I think I prefer night showers.
Really? Why?
Because it helps me relax before bed, and then I feel clean when I get into bed.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I'm a morning shower person.
Every single day?
Yep, every single morning.
Wow, that's dedication.
I just feel more awake after a shower.
Yeah, I get that. The water wakes you up.
Exactly, especially if it's a cold shower.
Wait, you take cold showers?
Sometimes. Not always, but sometimes.
That sounds terrible.
It's actually really good for you.
I've heard that, but I could never do it.
It's not that bad. You just have to try it.
No, thank you. I like my hot showers.
All right. So after you wash your face and brush your teeth, what's next?
Then I get dressed.
What do you usually wear?
It depends on my day. If I'm working from home, I wear something comfortable, like sweatpants and a t-shirt.
Nice and casual.
Yeah, but if I have to go somewhere, I wear jeans and a nice top.
Makes sense. I'm the same way.
What do you usually wear?
If I'm working from home, just shorts and a t-shirt.
Comfortable.
Yeah, but if I'm going to the office, I wear business casual.
Like what?
Like khakis and a button-up shirt.
Oh, fancy.
Not really, just normal work clothes.
Do you have to dress up for work?
Not too much. My office is pretty casual, but we still have to look professional.
That's good. I hate offices that are super formal.
Me too. It's uncomfortable.
All right, so after you get dressed, what's next in your routine?
Then I go to the kitchen.
To make breakfast?
Yep, breakfast is super important to me.
Really? What do you usually eat?
Most days I make eggs and toast.
Classic breakfast.
Yeah, simple but good.
Do you cook the eggs a certain way?
Usually scrambled, sometimes fried.
Nice. Do you add anything to them?
Yeah, I add cheese and sometimes vegetables like peppers or onions.
Ooh, that sounds good.
It is. What about you? What do you eat for breakfast?
Honestly, I don't usually eat a big breakfast.
Really? Why not?
I'm just not that hungry in the morning.
Interesting.
Yeah, so I usually just have coffee.
Just coffee? That's it?
Well, sometimes I have a banana or some yogurt, but usually just coffee.
Don't you get hungry later?
Yeah, I do. Around 10 or 11.
So you eat a snack.
Yep, usually something small, like crackers or fruit.
Gotcha. So you're more of a snacker than a breakfast person.
Exactly. I snack throughout the day.
That's interesting. I can't do that. I need a big breakfast.
Everyone's different, right?
For sure. So do you drink coffee every morning?
Oh, yeah. Every single morning. I'm addicted.
How do you like your coffee?
With milk and a little bit of sugar.
Not too sweet.
No, just a little sweet. What about you? Do you drink coffee?
Yeah, I do. But not as much as you probably.
How do you like it?
Black. No sugar, no milk.
Wow, that's strong.
I like the taste of pure coffee.
I respect that, but I need my milk and sugar.
That's fair.
All right, so after breakfast and coffee, what do you do?
Then I start working.
Right away?
Pretty much. I try to start by 8 or 8:30.
Wow, that's early.
Yeah, but I like getting an early start. It makes me feel productive.
That makes sense. What kind of work do you do?
I work in marketing, so a lot of my work is on the computer.
Oh, cool. Do you work from home?
Some days I do. Other days I go to the office.
So it's a hybrid situation.
Exactly.
That's nice. You get the best of both worlds.
Yeah, I like it. What about you? What do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thanks. Yeah, I design logos, websites, stuff like that.
Do you work from home?
Yeah, I'm fully remote.
Nice. Do you like it?
I love it. I can work in my pajamas if I want.
That's the dream.
It really is. But sometimes it's hard to stay focused.
Oh, I totally get that. There are so many distractions at home.
Exactly. Like I'll be working and then I'll think, oh, I should do laundry.
Yes. Or I should clean the kitchen.
Exactly. It's hard to separate work and home life.
Yeah, that's one of the downsides of working from home.
For sure. But overall, I still prefer it.
Me too. The flexibility is amazing.
So, Ryan, what time do you usually take a lunch break?
Usually around noon, sometimes 12:30.
What do you eat for lunch?
It depends. Sometimes I make a sandwich,
Like, what kind of sandwich?
usually turkey and cheese, with lettuce and tomato.
Classic.
Yeah, simple and quick. What about you?
I usually eat leftovers.
Leftovers from dinner?
Yep, I cook dinner the night before and then I eat it for lunch the next day.
That's smart. Saves time.
Exactly. I hate cooking in the middle of the day.
Same. I like to keep lunch simple.
Do you eat at your desk?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Why not?
Because I think it's important to take a real break, Step away from the computer.
That's a good point.
Yeah, if I eat at my desk, I'm still thinking about work.
True. So where do you eat?
Usually in the kitchen, or sometimes outside if the weather is nice.
Oh, that sounds nice.
It is. It's like a mental reset.
I should do that more. I always eat at my desk.
You should try taking a real break. It makes a big difference.
I will. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. So, after lunch, what does your afternoon look like?
I usually keep working until around 5 or 6.
Do you take any breaks in the afternoon?
Sometimes, if I'm feeling tired, I'll take a short walk.
That's good. Movement is important.
Yeah, especially if you sit all day.
Exactly. Sitting for too long is bad for you.
I know. I try to stand up and stretch every hour or so.
That's a good habit. What about you? Do you take afternoon breaks?
Yeah, I usually take a quick walk around 3.
Like around the office?
Yeah, or outside if I have time.
That's nice. It must help you stay focused.
It does. After sitting for a few hours, I need to move.
Totally. All right, so after work, what do you do?
Usually I go to the gym.
Oh, you work out after work?
Yeah, almost every day.
Wow, that's impressive. I don't know about that. I just like exercising.
What kind of workouts do you do?
Mostly weightlifting and some cardio.
Nice. How long do you work out for?
Usually about an hour.
That's a good amount of time.
Yeah, it's enough to get a good workout, but not too much.
Do you go to a gym or work out at home?
I go to a gym. I like having all the equipment.
That makes sense. What about you? Do you work out? I try to, but I'm not super consistent.
What do you like to do?
I like yoga.
Oh, yoga's great.
Yeah, it's relaxing, and it's good for flexibility.
For sure. Do you go to a yoga studio?
No, I do it at home. I follow videos on YouTube.
That's convenient.
Yeah, I can do it whenever I want.
How often do you do yoga?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week. Sometimes more, sometimes less.
That's good. Any exercise is better than nothing.
Exactly. I try not to be too hard on myself.
That's a good mindset.
All right, so after the gym, what do you do?
Then I go home and make dinner.
Do you cook every night?
Most nights, yeah.
Wow, I'm impressed.
It's not that impressive. I just like cooking.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I really like making pasta.
Oh, pasta is so good.
Right? And it's easy to make.
What kind of pasta do you make?
Usually spaghetti with marinara sauce or sometimes Alfredo.
Yum! Do you make the sauce from scratch?
Sometimes, but usually I just buy it from the store.
That's okay. Store-bought sauce is good too.
Yeah, and it saves time.
Exactly. What about you? Do you cook a lot? I cook a few times a week, but I also order takeout sometimes.
What's your favorite takeout food?
Probably Thai food.
Oh, Thai food is amazing.
Right? I love pad Thai.
Me too. And green curry.
Ooh, yes, green curry is so good.
So good. All right, so after dinner, what do you do?
Usually I just relax.
Like watch TV?
Yeah, or read a book, or sometimes I just scroll on my phone.
The phone again.
I know, I'm addicted.
We all are. It's hard to put it down.
So true. What about you? What do you do after dinner?
I usually watch TV with my girlfriend.
Oh, that's nice. What do you guys watch?
We're watching a crime show right now.
Ooh, what show?
It's called True Detective.
Oh, I've heard of that. Is it good?
It's really good. Very suspenseful.
I'll have to check it out.
You should. It's on HBO.
Cool. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. Do you watch any shows right now?
Yeah, I'm watching a comedy series.
Which one?
The Office.
Oh, classic.
I know. I've seen it before, but I'm rewatching it.
It's such a good show.
It really is. It always makes me laugh.
That's the best kind of show. So, Jessica, what time do you usually go to bed?
Usually around 11 or midnight.
Oh, so you stay up pretty late.
Yeah, I'm a night owl, remember?
Right. I usually go to bed around 10.
Wow, that's early.
Well, I wake up early, so I need to sleep early.
That makes sense. Do you fall asleep right away?
Usually, yeah. I'm pretty tired by 10.
Lucky. I have trouble falling asleep sometimes.
Really? Why?
I don't know. My mind just races.
Like you're thinking about too many things?
Exactly. I'll be lying in bed and I'll think about work or things I need to do tomorrow.
That sounds stressful.
It is. It's annoying.
Have you tried anything to help you fall asleep?
I've tried listening to calming music.
Does that help?
Sometimes, but not always.
What about reading?
Yeah, I read before bed sometimes. That helps.
Reading always makes me sleepy.
Same. What about you? Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yeah, kind of. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I read for a bit.
That sounds nice and relaxing.
It is. It helps me wind down.
I should create a better bedtime routine.
You should. It really makes a difference.
I'll try it. You know, Ryan, we've talked a lot about our daily routines today.
We have.
And I think it's interesting how different everyone's routine is.
Absolutely. Like you're a night owl and I'm a morning person.
Right, and you work out after work, but I do yoga at home.
Exactly. Everyone has their own rhythm.
Yeah, and I think that's okay. There's no right way to do things.
Totally agree. As long as your routine works for you, that's all that matters.
Exactly. Some people love waking up at 5 a.m.
And some people love staying up until 2 a.m.
Right. It's all about what makes you happy and productive.
For sure. But I do think having some kind of routine is important.
Yeah, I agree, even if it's flexible.
Right. It gives your day structure.
And it helps you stay consistent.
Exactly. Like if you work out at the same time every day, it becomes a habit.
True, it becomes automatic.
Yeah, and then you don't have to think about it.
That's a good point. Routines save mental energy.
Exactly. You don't have to make as many decisions.
Right, like I don't have to think about when to brush my teeth, I just do it automatically.
Right. It's one less thing to worry about. So, Jessica, if someone is watching this and they want to improve their daily routine, what advice would you give them?
I would say start small.
Start small?
Yeah, don't try to change everything at once.
That's good advice.
Like if you want to start working out, don't commit to going to the gym every single day.
Right. That's too much.
Exactly. Just start with 2 or 3 days a week.
And then build from there.
Exactly. Small changes lead to big results.
I love that. What about you? What advice would you give? I would say find what works for you.
What do you mean?
Like, don't copy someone else's routine just because it works for them.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah, everyone is different. What works for me might not work for you.
That's so true. Like I could never wake up at 6:30 like you.
And I can never stay up until midnight like you.
Exactly. We're just wired differently.
Right. So you have to figure out what works for your body and your lifestyle.
And be willing to experiment.
Yes, try different things and see what feels good.
And don't be afraid to change your routine if it's not working.
Exactly. Your routine should serve you, not stress you out.
Well said. All right, Ryan, I think we should start wrapping up.
Yeah, we've covered a lot today.
We talked about morning routines, work routines, evening routines.
We talked about breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
We talked about exercise and relaxation.
And we shared personal stories and tips.
I hope this was helpful for everyone watching.
Me too. Talking about daily routines is such a practical topic.
Right. It's something everyone can relate to.
And it's great for practicing English.
Absolutely. These are the kinds of conversations you'll have in real life.
Exactly. Like if you meet someone new, they might ask, "What's your typical day like?"
Or what time do you wake up?
Or, "What do you do after work?"
Right. These are common questions.
So, knowing how to talk about your routine is really useful.
For sure. And remember, you don't have to be perfect.
Right. Just use simple language.
Like, I wake up at 7, or I eat breakfast at 8.
Or, "I go to bed at 10.
Simple and clear.
That's all you need.
All right, everyone, that's it for today.
Thanks so much for watching.
We hope you learned something useful.
And we hope you feel more confident talking about your daily routine in English.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
So keep practicing, keep speaking.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn.
Exactly. All right, see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.